নমস্কার বন্ধুরা, আমার নাম মৌসুম ভৌমিক। আমি এসে গেছি আমার প্রথম ভিডিও নিয়ে, আমার প্রথম রিয়াকশান ভিডিও। আজকে আমরা হোয়াট পাকিস্তানিজ থিঙ্ক অ্যাবাউট ইন্ডিয়া এই নিয়ে আমার প্রথম রিয়াকশান ভিডিও শুরু করতে চলেছি। আসুন সবাই মিলে দেখি পাকিস্তানিরা আমাদের সম্পর্কে কী ভাবে। আর আপনারাও দেখুন আমার সঙ্গে রিয়াকশান ভিডিওতে অংশগ্রহণ করুন। চলুন দেখা যাক।
India, I don't like India.
We don't share very
Good terms with India.
terms with them, so I think we'll pass.
What do you know about India?
India?
We grew up on Indian
Yeah,
stuff. So.
I grew up watching Indian drama series, so I know most about that. And Bollywood, I'm such a big Bollywood fan, so yeah, I have lots of love for India. Not all Pakistanis can say that, but I can because it's like basically my childhood, Indian everything.
Okay, who's your favorite Bollywood actress or actor?
Shah Rukh Khan, I love him.
Okay, do you remember any movie of Shah Rukh Khan?
Oh, कुछ कुछ होता है, कभी खुशी कभी गम, जवान, the recent one.
So you watch in Hindu language?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, Hindi and Urdu are really similar. Sometimes I actually mix both the languages because I watch so much Bollywood stuff. That's why.
Okay, lovely. Have you ever met Indian people in Pakistan?
Oh no, I haven't.
What about you?
I love India. Like I'm gonna say that I love the Indian culture since it's like so close to ours. I love Indian places, all the Indian cities. They're just beautiful. So I would love to visit India. Like even as a kid, that was one thing I really wanted, just to visit India. And then I grew up on all Indian shows. Like Star Plus was our go-to in our house. Like it was always on the TV.
And Disney India.
Disney India was always on. So like we grew up on those things, and that's why like India is close to my heart. And I actually said not all Pakistanis are gonna say it, but I love India. It is like kind of like we grew up on it. So हमारा बचपन है. So I love India.
India,
It's a good country.
It's a good country. We know a lot of
very
things.
well
We
developed.
share same culture, cricket specifically. Nice people, I guess.
I have been connecting with a lot of Indian people, and I think like many people do have this dilemma in Pakistan that Indian people hate us. But I have met a lot of people that are like very good with Pakistani people, and they don't think about these radical thoughts. Mostly because of, I guess, media. Both of the sides actually hate each other, politics, etc. But outside of Pakistan, if Indian and Pakistani meet each other, they saw a desi person. They love each other, and they share same culture, same food, and things like
Yes.
So
If you
there's
go
no
outside
hatred.
from Pakistan, if you see two Pakistani and India, they'll call each other brothers, like they're brothers of each other. But if you're living in like Pakistan and India, then they're like we're enemies. Outside of it, it's all same. So it's like love. Love is everywhere.
Also, there's one more thing. No Pakistani person is like, I don't know anyone who is working for an Indian person in India, and no Indian person is working for any person in Pakistan. But both Indian and Pakistani people are working for a foreigner person, like living in UK, living in Sweden. Both are working in same company, but both are not willing to work for each other companies inside each other. So I guess that's a very big difference, that both of these countries should resolve this kind of issues with each other.
India? I mean, I have really close friends from India, and I mean, I love that country, really. Yeah, I would love to travel there to meet my friend. I've been friends with him for like 3-4 years now, and he has helped me a lot in my career and stuff. Yeah.
Okay, what do you know a lot about India? Maybe some places or food?
Not that much. Taj Mahal, and I mean, their food is similar to us. So, I mean, obviously, when you go to different regions in Pakistan, they have different flavors. So, I mean, I would love to go there and try the street food. Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever met Indian people in Pakistan?
Nah, never. I would love to, but yeah.
India, I don't like India.
You never traveled to India?
No. बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
Yeah, India is a fast growing country nowadays, and I highly recommend to the politicians and everyone to resolve the matter and just open the gates for tourism. So everyone here from Pakistan can go to India, and from Indians, our brothers, can visit Pakistan. So I think there should be a way of friendship tourism between both of countries, and I think it's a good time to look into this matter.
India is our brother country. It's our neighbor, a very loving country, very beautiful country. Yeah, there are political differences, but still they are our people, and they have the same culture like us. So we don't think so. There's a lot of difference. This is what we know. I have a short history. My grandfather migrated from India when Pakistan and India got partitions. So I am basically, my grandfather was actually, he was an Indian and he was serving in the British Indian government as well.
Okay, great. Are there many Indians in Pakistan?
Yeah, there are a lot of Indian people. They like Sikh people mostly have their all religious big places like Gurdwara Sahib and Punjab Sahib in near Islamabad, Taxila, Kartarpur, near Faisalabad. There are a lot of places which like Sikh people have their religious. Like in Rawalpindi, there were a lot of Hindu families. Still, there are many Hindu temples in Rawalpindi, so we respect them and we have a lot of respect them.
Karachi, so many Indians. Yeah, too many Indians in Karachi. I think I heard that temples as well, Indian temples over there as well.
A little bit from our, because they're similar to us. We were one nation, so a little bit of history, background, that's it.
What about you?
Exactly the same.
Have you ever met Indian people in Pakistan?
No, there aren't any Indian people here.
India is our neighbor country, and I think we don't share very
Good terms
with them. So I think we'll pass this question.
Okay, fine. But have you ever met Indian people in Pakistan?
No, not really.
দারুণ একটা ভিডিও, দারুণ ভাইবস পেলাম, একটা পজিটিভ ভাইবস পেলাম পাকিস্তানি দাদা বন্ধুদের থেকে। এই ভাইবসটা যেন সারা পৃথিবীতে ছড়িয়ে পড়ে, মানুষের মধ্যে যেন এইভাবে ভালোবাসাটা ছড়িয়ে পড়ে, যেন ধর্ম দেশ বিভেদ তৈরি করতে না পারে। দুর্দান্ত ভিডিও, এভাবেই পজিটিভ ভাইবস তৈরি হোক মানুষের মধ্যে, বাঙালিদের মধ্যে, সমস্ত ভাষার মধ্যে। দারুণ ভিডিও। দোস্তরা, আজকের মতো আমি চললাম, আবার দেখা হবে গতকাল। আপনারা আমার ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকলে অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন, সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে কিন্তু ভুলবেন না।